Are you a complete beginner to the world of crypto, specifically looking at the Newton exchange and wondering what the absolute best first steps are to not screw it up? I get it. When I first started on Newton, the sheer number of coins and the fast-paced market felt overwhelming. As a Canadian platform, Newton makes it incredibly easy to get your dollars in and start trading, but the ease of use is also a trap. You can jump in too fast. After using it for a while, I've distilled my experience down to 3 core tips for any beginner using Newton, or frankly, any similar Canadian exchange. No complicated trading jargon, just straight to the point actions. 1. Shield prioritize security from day one. This is the single most important lesson I learned. You are your own bank in crypto, and losing your access or keys is devastating. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, is non-negotiable. Set this up immediately after creating your account. I use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, not SMS, because phone number hacks are a real threat. Strong, unique password. Don't use your same Netflix or Gmail password. Use a strong, complex, and unique password for Newton. I use a password manager to keep track of it securely. Acknowledge the spread. Newton famously advertises no commission fees, which is great for beginners, but they make money on the spread, the difference between the buy and sell price. Always check the price before you hit buy or sell. I always look at the final amount I'm getting, not just the advertised fee. 2. Money bag start small with the big 2 and HODL. As a beginner, you don't need to mess with complex trading strategies or obscure altcoins right away. Fund with Interac e-Transfer. This is Newton's best feature, it's free and fast. I link it right to my bank account. Buy Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH. These are the 2 giants. They have the longest track record and the largest market caps. For my first buys, I focused 50/50ths on these. The risk is still there, but it's arguably lower than some random tier 3 coin. Newton has good liquidity for these, so your trades go through smoothly. Adopt the HODL mentality. This just means hold on for dear life. Crypto is volatile. You will see a 10% dip in a day, it happens. As a beginner, my advice is to buy a small amount you can afford to lose, and then just hold it for a long time, years, not weeks. I ignore the short-term panic and stick to my long-term plan. 3. Bank withdraw to a private wallet, cold storage. For long-term storage, keeping your crypto on any exchange, including a regulated one like Newton, is a risk. Don't keep it on the exchange. I only keep a very small amount on Newton for trading if I feel like it. Any significant amount that I plan to hold long-term gets moved. Use a hardware wallet. For a beginner, once your investment crosses a certain comfortable threshold, say, a few $1,000s, it's time to buy a hardware wallet like a Ledger or Trezor. This is cold storage, it keeps your crypto offline. I learned this the hard way after a few big exchange hacks in the news. Leverage Newton's withdrawal coverage. Another great feature is that Newton often covers the network/gas fees up to a certain dollar amount when you withdraw to an external wallet. I always take advantage of this to move my assets to my hardware wallet for free. These 3 steps, secure your account, start simply and hold, and move to cold storage, will put you ahead of 90% of beginners. It's about minimizing risk and maximizing peace of mind. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.